德国耶鲁任意角数控双头锯，全新升级款，超大锯片兼容，锯片最大可装配直径达550毫米，满足更厚、更大型材的切割需求。灵活角度定位，支持箱体内外任意角度定位，锯片摆臂可在45度到90度范围内任意精准定位，超长切割能力，切割长度最大可达6米，适用于长型材加工场景，安全防护，配备安全使用功能，有效防止因工人操作不当导致的撞击事故，保障生产安全。稳定耐用结构，机械结构设计成熟，机身钢板具备优良的防锈防腐蚀性能，确保设备长期使用后仍能保持精度稳定，操作便捷，设备操作灵活，易于上手，可提升加工效率，维护高效，维护流程方便快捷，设备整体故障率低，降低后期运维成本。Driven new arbitrary angle CNC double head saw newly upgraded model, super large saw blade compatibility. The saw blade can be equipped with a maximum diameter of 550 millimeters, meeting the cutting needs of thicker and larger profiles. Flexible angle positioning supports arbitrary angle positioning inside and outside the cabinet, and the saw blade swing arm can be arbitrarily and precisely positioned within the range of ultra-long cutting capacity. The maximum cutting length can reach 6 meters, suitable for long profile processing scenarios. Safety protection equipped with safety functions. It effectively prevents collision, accidents caused by improper operation by workers, and ensures production safety. Stable and durable structure. The mechanical structure is maturely designed, and the body steel plate has excellent anti-rust and anti-corrosion performance, ensuring that the equipment can still maintain precision stability after long-term use. Easy operation. The equipment is flexible and easy to operate, which can improve processing efficiency. Efficient maintenance. The maintenance process is convenient and fast, and the overall failure rate of the equipment is low, reducing the later operation and maintenance costs.